stupid or funny. Drew too, you gotta tape it.
Like trying to type on his keyboard?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You're trying
exactly.
to swat the screen.
Are you on the keyboard? Are you writing to me? Hi. Harper, what are you typing?
She's swimming.
I can see her lower half. Harper, you a big fat worm.
Harper, what's that? What's that?
It's over there. What is that? What's that?
What's that?
What's that? What's that?
What's that?
What's that? What's that?
Go get her.
What's that? What's that?
So confused. She's going
She's
behind. She went behind the computer to see if you were there.
And now she's backing away. She doesn't
so
get
scared.
it.
So much head tilt.